In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add Google Docs to your WordPress website. Whether you're sharing documents, spreadsheets, or presentations, or you simply want to make your website content more interactive, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. By the end, you'll be able to embed Google Docs seamlessly on your site. First, open your Google Drive and navigate to the document, spreadsheet, or presentation that you want to embed. Make sure it's ready to be shared, as this will determine how your visitors see it. Once you're there, click on File in the top menu, and then select Share. From the sharing options, choose Publish to the Web and select the Embed tab. Copy the HTML iframe code provided and make sure the link is set to allow access for anyone with it, depending on your privacy preferences. Copy this link. This is the link you'll use to embed your Google Doc into WordPress. Next, go to your WordPress dashboard and open the page or post where you want to display your Google Doc. Click on the Add Block button and select Custom HTML from the options. This is where you'll paste the embed code. To make the process smoother, here's a quick tip. Paste the iframe code directly into the custom HTML block in WordPress. You can adjust the width and height parameters in the code if needed so it fits perfectly on your page. Doing this beforehand ensures your document displays correctly without cutting off important content. Once you've added the code, click Preview to make sure your Google Doc appears as expected. After confirming it looks right, simply click Update or Publish on your page to make the changes live. Your visitors will now be able to view the document directly on your website, and that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to embed Google Docs in WordPress easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helped. If this walkthrough made things clearer for you, feel free to share it with anyone who might be trying to improve their website. You never know who might need it. And of course, if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stick around for more simple, step-by-step guides just like this one. Your support really helps the channel grow. Thanks again, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.